Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope so that you all will be fine. You know that we are on chapter number 2, the wooden bowl, and we have completed its reading and its vocabulary. Today we are going to start its exercise. This is page number 17 and we are going to start its A part. It is comprehension. Students, you have to do this comprehension to just understand that how much you have learned from the reading and from vocabulary. So let's start. The first one part is answer the following questions. The first one question is, where did the family live? So students, look here in the very first one paragraph of this story. This is page number 14 and here the whole description of the family is given, that where they live. Once upon a time, in a small town in Germany, there lived a man called Kurt. And they all share a little old house at the end of a quiet street in the middle of the town. So students, you will write the answer of this question. The family lived in a small town in Germany. Now look at second question. It's B part. What did Manfred do for a living? As you know students, that in the second paragraph of this story, you come to know that Manfred was a carpenter and spent all his time in the workshop next to the house. And the whole paragraph tells us about that he earned a good living and he is a carpenter by profession. So we will give the answer of this question. Manfred was a carpenter. He made furniture and did some carving. He sold these things to the people in the town. This is the answer of question B. Now look at question C. Who was Thekla? You give the introduction of Thekla, that who was she. You come to know here that Thekla was daughter-in-law of Kurt and she was the wife of Manfred and she was the mother of his son Wilhelm. So we will write the answer of this question in this way. Thekla was Manfred's wife, Wilhelm's mother and Kurt's daughter-in-law. Now look at D part. Why did Kurt's hands shake? You can find the reason of his hands shook in the second paragraph of page number 15. The grandfather was very old, that is why sometimes his hands shook and sometimes he sat in a chair and nodded off. So we will write the answer of this question in this way. Kurt's hands used to shake because he was old. Now look at E part. Why was Wilhelm making a wooden bowl? Here on page number 16, Wilhelm is giving the reason that why he is making a wooden bowl. I am making a wooden bowl for you to eat from when you are old. So we will give the answer of this question. Wilhelm was making a wooden bowl to give to his parents when they grow older. Now look at this. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. F part. How did Thekla and Manfred treat the old man? As you know that when the Kurt was very old and old man dropped his plate on the floor and sometime he broke a glass, sometimes he dropped a spoon. So all these things were very pinching and very troublesome for Thekla and Manfred. So we will give the answer of this question. Thekla and Manfred got angry with the old man. They punished him by making him sit in a corner and eat from a wooden bowl. This is the answer of F part. This is the answer of F part. Now look at G part. Whose eyes filled with tears and why? Students, on page number 16, we come to know that when the boy replied that I am making a wooden bowl for you to eat from when you are older, the parents looked at each other and their eyes filled with tears. So we will write the answer of this question. The parents, Thekla's and Manfred's eyes filled with tears. And what was the reason? Why? They realized how unkind they had been to the old man. I think so this all comprehension, the first part is quite clear to you. Now we move towards the next one part. This is second part, and the statement of this is answer the questions about these lines from the story. They looked in his room, but he was not there. Where could that boy be? These are the lines from the story. You have read this story in a very good way, and I think so you come to know that from where these lines are taken and what's the reason of these lines. So the A question is, who looked in the room? So we will give the answer of this question. The boy's parents, Thekla and Manfred, looked in the room. Here is B part. Who asked the question? The question is, where could that boy be? So this question is asked by Thekla. So we will give the answer of this question. Thekla asked the question. C part. Whom were they looking for and why? So you will give the answer of this question in this way. They were looking for Wilhelm. They wanted him to come and eat his evening meal. As you know that from reading, you come to know that they were looking for Wilhelm because they have prepared their meal, but Wilhelm was not there to eat that meal. So they were looking for Wilhelm. Look at D part. Where was the missing person found? As you know from reading, you come to know that they saw a light on in the workshop and found their son sitting on the floor. So we will give the answer of this question. So we will give the answer of D part. Where was the missing person found? He mean Wilhelm. Wilhelm was in the workshop. I think so this whole comprehension is quite clear to you. You have to learn the answers of these questions and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.